Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, the Inside Edition.
Yes, we're inside.
It's cold outside, so we're inside.
It's 20 degrees, feels like 6.
Yeah, I know, isn't that fun?
Yeah, so we're going to do the walk around in here, but we're still going to drive it. No flybys or anything, but we're going to put it around. Yeah. But we want to let it thaw out before we put it outside.
And this is a 1956 Chevy 3100. It's got the 235 Thriftmaster. It's got the 3 on the tree. This is a car you do need to double clutch. It's bright orange with black vinyl interior. Body match steel wheels, hubcaps, radial tires, oakwood bed floor, which is nice, a step side bed, very cool. And it does have the Tropic-Aire heater, which is important for a day like today. Bench seat, it's even got electric wipers. This is a very, very nice truck. We had this before, beautiful truck. They always make their way back to us.
Even the inside of like the door jams are all, it's all beautifully painted.
So nice.
Metal door panels, nothing there. Got the gauges in the middle, headliner, beautiful. Very nice. Doors open and close nice.
The hood is great. The latch is right down there in the middle. You can see it, just pops open so easily.
Yeah, this is all painted nice too.
Isn't it nice? A little dusty, sorry about the dust.
Nice radiator.
Beautiful.
There's the Thriftmaster inline 6.
The mighty, mighty Thriftmaster.
It's also getting a little dark outside because it gets dark early here in Missouri.
So we have to hustle.
So we're gonna go.
So here we go.
Beautiful paint on the whole thing.
We're gonna get this thing moving.
If you want to see all the photos of this truck.
Yep, and we'll do the lights too.
Yeah, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. I'll take your mic. Chris is gonna start it up. We're gonna go through all the lights and stuff. But on our website, you can get a closer look of everything, undercarriage, interior, exterior, engine bay. Very nice. You got the nice wrapping on the chain for the bed so it doesn't scratch your paint. Wood bed floor is amazing. Pretty quiet. There's the running lights, it looks like. One blinker. And the other one. Very nice. I'll go to the front. Even the license plate light down there is on. You can see the headlights on the door. I know those are working. Headlights are on. Left blinker worked. Right blinker was a little dim, but it was flashing. You can see it in there. Might need to replace that bulb. Do that one again. That one's very bright. That one does flash, but it needs a bulb. Brights work. Very nice. Let me pop the door open. One right-hand blinker bulb is a very easy replacement. And it was blinking, so it is wired correctly, and it does work. Oh, we got the mirror on the passenger side. It's probably an option back then. Put this closed so the rest of these cars stay warm. Give this a little walk around. Sounds good. I've never even checked this light. Where even is it? Oh, it's down there. Behind the bumper for the license plate. Very nice. Sounds good. It's a much brighter orange than it looks right now because it's getting dark out. Oh, nice horn. Very good. I love the white walls with the white center of the wheel too. On the paint match steely. There's your gas cap. Very nice. It doesn't look like anyone's ever actually stepped on the step side. Back of the cab, glass. Bed is just gorgeous. And these trim pieces in the bed, also gorgeous. Very nice. And the white lettering. And that 50s font is awesome. There's your 100 badge. Alrighty. All the blinkers work. The front left was blinking, but it's very dim.
Dim. Well,
so it needs a bulb replacement. But the blinker did work, so it's just a bulb. Very easy.
That's an easy fix.
Here we go with the 3 on the tree. This button down here is your starter, isn't it?
Sure is.
So you put the key in, turn the ignition on, and then you gotta hit
You got a
down
whole
there.
starter. It's push button start. Before it was cool.
Before it was cool. Push button with your foot though. There's our Tropic-Aire heater down here. The control for that is up here, color matched. Very nice. We got, looks like a T for probably throttle. We got a choke somewhere. That's over by Chris.
Should say C on it.
It does say C on it.
Oh, good.
Here we go. Second gear. Nice. You double clutched.
For you have to double clutch this guy.
Third gear. Wow, this thing's actually like quick. Third gear action.
Nice. I could have probably stayed second, but it's okay. The heater's working.
This has plenty of torque. It is. Oh wow, it's actually hot.
Oh yeah.
Duh. You hit the brake and it lurched forward. My hand touched it. It is warm down here. Nice. Around the roundabout.
Here we go.
It steers like a Corvette.
Absolutely.
Just kidding. It steers like a very old truck. But with that said,
It's
it's
nice.
probably tighter than it's ever been because of how nice this truck is.
So I like it, so I got.
The visors aren't drooping.
You know, I hate strip
They're tight. All this is painted very nice too.
Oh, everything in this car is just wonderful. A truck, rather. You know why I keep calling it a car? It's a truck.
Headliner's very nice.
Horn
Nice
works.
horn. Very good horn.
Oh, it's cruising, man.
It is
nice,
cruising.
It's a nice vehicle, and everything doesn't shake. Everything's kind of in a nice spot.
We're doing over 50.
Yeah.
We
Well,
don't have
about 50.
We don't have a tack, but we don't need it. The lights and the gauges are working.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
No radio in this one. Although in 56, could you get a radio? I'm sure you could get a
I'm
radio.
sure you could in other cars.
Nice.
How about that? You didn't expect that one.
You should leave that on so we can see each other.
Oh, hello.
Very nice.
It's mood lighting.
It's mood. Don't say that. Mood lighting. Goodness gracious. Second gear. Oh, he's downshifting.
Oh, why not?
He's learning.
Have
Now,
these lovely brakes.
on these 3-speeds, I don't believe they're synchros.
Not
So
going into first.
you can't be slamming it, you know, into gears. We're gonna
No.
come to a stop. Oh, and it's green. Very nice. We can stay in second.
And we will. First is really kind of a creeper gear anyway.
Yeah. Not going very fast in first. This thing has plenty of torque to get going in second pretty early.
Oh my.
This Thriftmaster runs good.
It does. It runs great.
It's like a little sewing machine.
It is. It's a good little car. Look, it's a truck. I keep calling it a car. It's not a car, it's a truck.
It is a truck. We have a beautiful bed.
We do.
Beautiful back,
Oh, yeah, you should definitely show them that.
beautiful back window so you can see the bed. Very nice. This seat is also in pristine condition. Vinyl. We have lap belts down here with the nice chrome. Gray lap belts to match the gray paint in here. The floors are not carpet, it's like a rubber mat, but it's a truck.
It's a truck, folks.
You want that,
But don't try this in the mud or the rain.
but it looks like a brand new rubber mat. All right, we're finally back into first gear. Here we go. Oh, very nice. Second gear action.
it just
double
floats in
clutched?
the gear with the double clutch action.
Probably do it faster than that. Clutch in, clutch out, clutch in again. Third gear.
Here we go. Man, it just moves. It really does move pretty fast.
We're going quick. We're going 60.
Whoa!
60 miles an
Oh,
hour.
I'm just gonna leave it neutral now and just let her coast on down the road. No one's around us.
It floats in a straight line though.
It does float.
Brakes feel good.
Nice.
From
They
my
do.
side, they feel
Oh, they
good.
do. They do. They're good.
They stop, so
And that's important.
that's all I want out of my brakes.
But you're a double clutching machine in this car, so don't forget that.
Oh, you want to turn in here?
Sure do.
We're not going to do flybys in this one. Actually, I'll do one. We'll do one for old time's sake.
For old time's sake.
For old time's sake. I'll just go out that exit and then come back in this one.
All right, cool.
Just so it can be
And I'm
heard.
getting my hood up and my
Yeah.
flippy floppies.
I'll be quick so Chris doesn't have to be out in the cold for a
I
while.
don't want to freeze to death.
Oh, man.
Oh man, is right. These signals, they don't cancel, just so you know.
Listen,
It's okay.
that's not even the factory signal switch.
No, it is not.
It's got one of those aftermarket ones on it,
Those silly aftermarket.
which is nice because you know it's going to work.
Yes.
It's one of these chrome units. You see those on a lot of old hot rods. Well, it's got the chrome handle, but it's black. And also, I think you also get hazards with that too. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, hazards. It says something to do with hazards, but I'm not gonna mess with it.
All right, I'm going to move this camera, and we're going to do one flyby.
Okay, and I'll take your microphone.
Here it goes,
folks. The boys make me sit outside. This is elderly abuse as far as I'm concerned. Go, 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 yeah! Into first. Oh, Jake. He's cruising. Now you'll notice I'm going to meet him halfway because I'm so cold. Oh,
Get in, Chris.
hurry!
I'll take this. How'd you like the flyby?
Oh, that was great.
There we go. It's very cold. If you couldn't tell, oh, here's my mic. It's very cold if you couldn't tell. Chris, he ran in here as fast as he could. Yeah,
I ran all the way down.
put your hands down by the heater down there.
You can feel my right one now.
Yeah. All right, well, we're going to take this thing back.
This is going backwards. Oh, this is the right way.
Yeah,
Let's
you-
go.
you got it now.
Let's go, Jake.
Let's go.